Friends, Running Kimono here. Apologies about the late video, but I was out at the Dollar General for a couple hours today, a little bit of ways from home to try to make a haul happen. And there was a clearance event about 2 weeks ago, and there's another one that's happening right now. And the items are actually ringing up properly in the app, which is really odd. And it's also odd that the clearance event started on Wednesday, July the 1st. They usually always started on a Friday, and it's going right till the following Sunday, the 5th. And specifically in this video, we're looking at clearance items with digital coupons, taking an additional 50% off. I did not see a 70 store near me, and I went to about 6 stores today. So we're looking at the 50% price point in this video. First thing we're going to talk about are these foam, they're called hinged lid trays. So it's basically like a little tray that you could put food in for your 4th of July cookout. They're $1.97 at 50% off. We have a $1 digital coupon, making this friend 97 cents. And it's either the True Living or the DG Home, either one of those. I found this in the clearance section as well, but I'm pretty sure you've seen those foam plates in the clearance section for some time, or they might have it tucked away at the front. And here's the UPC. Many apologies that it's kind of like bad photography. It's on this weird plastic, so it's kind of harder to photograph, but here's the UPC. Very delighted to get these 14 counters for 97 cents, especially with the 4th of July. I know a lot of you probably send family home with a bit of food, so one item to definitely stock up on. Next 3 items are complete freebies. The last go around, we had this $4 digital. If you didn't use it during the end of the last clearance event, it's $4 off of an Airwick. As you see, it expires on Saturday the 4th. And there's 2 different Airwick plugs. This one called White Sage Mahogany and another one's like Ocean. They're on clearance for like $3.75, and with that $4 digital, it's complete freebie. So the best way to make sure that the coupons are scanning, put this video on your TV and then just open up the DG app and then scan through the app. Now, if you might have that Christmas gift set that we were getting at Walgreens for the Gillette disposables, there's this $3 coupon. And if you can track down this specific Skin Guard disposable razor, it's making it completely free, which is fantastic. And this friend, we have a $3 off an Airwick starter kit. And there's this Hawaiian one that I found 2 of them at one store. It might be a taller order to find it, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you can find it if you have the patience to go through the clearance section. Complete freebie, it was like $1.91, and the $3 coupon made it tax. And it can't be the double pack of the oils. It has to be the plug and the oils, but scan everything in the clearance section. We have this $1.50 Palmolive coupon, and there's this, it has to be the green one, not the Oxy blue one, because there's 2 containers that look identical. This guy is $1.77, and after that $1.50 coupon is 27 cents. And it is the 32.5 fluid ounce. That is a ton of dish soap. Look for it in the regular aisle or alternatively in the clearance section. I found 3 of these Schick Extremes. We have a $2 digital coupon making each of them 97 cents. And the Febreze Auto was 5 cents after a $2 digital. I'm going to show you all the coupons here in a quick second. But yeah, if you have a little bit of time to kill this weekend, I would definitely go to the Dollar General and float around and see what they might have. Why not? This is the $2 coupon, and this little guy was 97 cents after the coupon, and I did it on more than one store card. That's why I have 3 of them. And then we have the $2 for that Febreze car clip. And it's also part of the spend 20 to earn back 5. But obviously I wasn't there because this was only $2.05. And then after that $2 coupon, it was 5 cents. But I'm not going to complain about that. I'm just going to be really happy. We have this $2 coupon off of a Jumbo Pampers Easy Ups. Usually those diapers are $12.50 per bag. Also part of the spend 20 to earn back 5. This one with the ponies after that $2 coupon is $3.63. Here is the really weird thing. Only select stores it's ringing up at that price. So if it's ringing up $12.50 at your store, it's yet to clear out, which is really odd to say, but I noticed that too with the pony ones or the Peppa Pig one. It was only like at very specific stores, and it has to be this larger one as well. But if you're trying to do a P&G, like spend 20 to earn back 5, this would be a great item to throw in. Now, if you look just on a regular shelf at the bottom of that end cap, all of that's on clearance. None of it's been pulled. Busy store. The employees didn't pull it, but I knew exactly what that was. And these are $1.12 each. And because it's a Gain product, it's also part of the spend 20 to earn back 5. I didn't buy any of them because I didn't have a coupon. And here's the UPC and the item. Obviously, I shot this at a different store. I just left those for a shopper. But how great is that? $1.12 for those dish soaps. Somebody's going to be really happy to find them. And I hope somebody finds them as well. I did put one in the clearance section, so hopefully somebody will find it. In a regular aisle on an end cap, that Downy with the peach on it, that's on clearance for $3.73. So lots of this stuff, even though 2 weeks ago it was like part of the clearance and everybody was like, start their car or go get it. A lot of stores never pulled this stuff, so it's just on a regular aisle, which is really bizarre. And this was $3.73 and also part of the spend 20 to earn back 5 or the spend 30 to earn back 8, whatever variation you might have. And I did buy a bunch of these the last time at a 70 store, so I was quite spoiled. But, you know, if this is something that you want to stock up on, and we also have a week-long 5 off 25, and then Saturday there's another one, a 5 off 25, so yeah, I would definitely stock up. Now, at the register, check out this little friend. It's a chapstick crisp apple. Been around the store forever. For whatever dumb reason, I scanned it just to show you what it looks like. It's on clearance for 57 cents. A whole bunch of different chapsticks are part of this, which is really bizarre. So I would definitely, you know, if you wanted to stock up on these or, you know, perfect little stocking stuffer or item that you want to have like in your purse or whatever, 57 cents is a great price point. I was really delighted to find 2 of these conditioners, and there's a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, and I found 2 of, it's either the honey one or this one, the aqua, and they're $3.75 for 2, and after that coupon it's 75 cents for the 2. Not bad. And then this coupon, the $1 off for the Axe. This is $1.57 for the cinnamon one. If you could track one down, probably find it in the clearance section or in the regular aisle. It's going to be 57 cents for you. Now, I'm going to let you guys know, I did go to some stores that I haven't been in a really long time, and I found, I think, about 30 pennies. That's a video for another day. Maybe I'll make a short. The Father's Day stuff, I'm always looking for a fun little card for my father-in-law. This is 15 cents, and the retro look, I think he'll really like it. And then on a top shelf, something struck me with these Disney characters. And I actually asked an employee to help me bring some of them down. And some of them were blue dot, some of them were yellow dot. You're looking for the one with the star, a yellow star on it. And then just to show you, I took a little video here. That mini has a yellow star. Boom. And that's a penny item. Still a penny item. Get out to the Dollar General, guys, and have some fun. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.